Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 22nd, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And the first one I will do is the 4 stars Sudoku. The 4 star Sudoku, this will be number 8946. 8946. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 star Sudoku has 25. This one has 3 digits more. Should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. But the publisher has publish or indicate this with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? Well, we don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the one in this row, one in the middle row? So the row above, the only place left the one should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 2. We have 8 and a 2 in this row, so no 8 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. 8 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. That means 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left, and the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 9 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row. The only 3 places left, and 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. How about the 3, no, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in a row above, so that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 8 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes in there. We have a 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, no only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, need a 4 there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. Alright. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 3 places left, 2 should be here, here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the last column, no 2 there. The only place left, 2 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, only place left, the 4 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7, let me mark those. Alright, do we have all the 4s? Yes, we have all the 4s. How about the 2s? 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left in the middle row for the mod. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the most. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left with a 7 in this big square. Show me there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places over the 3 should be here, here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Then 8 and 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 6, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this last column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 1 and 8, 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Interesting. 2 numbers left in this big square from almost 1 to 2, 3 to 4 to 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9 cannot fill this yet. Wow. Here also 6 and a 9. Well. 2 numbers left in this big square for almost 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left with a 6 should be there. 6 and a 9, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Well, cannot believe this. Told you should be a 0 stars and faster than 14, 30 minutes. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.